In this video, I'm going to show you how to change NAPS2 scan settings. Now, the first thing you have to do is, of course, open NAPS2 or NAPS2, whatever you want to call it. And from here, if you already have added your scanner, you want to click on this button over here on the left where it says Edit to actually pull up your profile settings. Or you can just go into Profiles, click on New, and from here, whenever you're adding a new scanner, you can go and set your settings in here. So let me show you what all settings you have and what options there are. Now, what I have to tell you as well is that over here on the left, you can always go and change these right before scanning the four main ones over here on the left. So I'm just gonna go and click on the edit, and there we go. In here, you can either use predefined settings, which is going to use these settings from NAPS2 itself, or you can use native UI, which is going to always, whenever you hit the scan button, open up kind of the default scanning UI for your scanner, okay? This may vary depending on the scanner you use, but I'm just going to go and use these predefined ones. First is the paper source. For me, there's only glass. You can go and change bit depth, the page size if you want to as well. You can do custom. You have horizontal align. It can be left, right, or center. You have resolution, so the DPI, and then the scale as well. And you can change brightness and contrast by sliding this or typing in your own number. You can also enable autosave or not, and you have the advanced settings where you have your image quality, which you can change. You can select how it reads blank pages. You can have some post-processing, compatibility. You can check these things if you want to as well, and hit the OK button. If at any point you want to go back to defaults, click on Restore Defaults. It's going to restore them, and then hit OK, and you are good to go. So that's how to change NAPS2 scan settings. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.